Pretty.
Here.
Oh. Fires up nicely. Sounds awesome. Hey, Gary.
What? I know.
Hey, don't close that yet. 213. He paid $300 for this thing. It's fucking mint inside. Just beautiful. Nice, good tires on it. Lots of meat. Well, gotta put the tow bar on her and take her back to London. You want to do my mirrors too? That way I can get a good view for YouTubers when it comes loose. Well, got the tow bar all hooked up.
This is going to come off. He's going to grab his camera, switch around. Look at that. It's off.
Yeah, we're going to get into an accident.
Too late. This is going to hurt.
Alright, so let's see how this goes. I'll vouch for it. We were never there. Someone stole it. Alright, so we're in neutral. No parking brake on. 4 ways. Because we forgot the lights. And we're on our way. Fucking tailgaters. Holy fuck. Learn how to drive. Look at that. Nobody's in it. Holy fuck. Perfect weather for towing a trailer. No, it's just a trailer now, Gary. Well, we made it here alive. Huh? Well, we made it here alive. Oh, all that rain's getting the mud off my truck too. On us. Bumper. Ooh. Jimmy's kick ass. GM all the way.